I'm again in the video. Today we are playing a desert sandbox. Per sandbox. We are gonna start the game. Started so fast. I'm alone in the server. Okay, I'm here. I wanna make the car or spawn a car. I think so spawn a car is a very good idea. I will test this up. Holy moly. Oh dear stats. The attack. What the? I detested it. The car is all broken. Can it start? Let's see. Put the radiator. This. Let, let us build the car. Uh, all goes. All guys, my viewers, please subscribe me. I love you to all. Please subscribe. I need 50 subscribers. Please subscribe me, anyone. Let us build a car. Oh my god. Why I cannot hold it? Yeah. This. I think so. I will not put the seats. Oh wait. I will put the gearbox pro. That's cool. Detached engine, please. Detached. I must want new engine. New, not a new engine. A new battery and new radiator. That would be cool. I think so. The engine is a 4.5 liter oil, so I fill it with oil can. Please subscribe, guys. I'm gonna take it out. I'll put a gearbox pro. Search gear. Or new engine or this engine. I think so. I have spawned a new engine. That would be cool. It would be not waste our time to fill the oil in the engine. We have spawned the battery. Put the battery here. Gearbox pro. Put the gearbox pro is so heavy. Done. Where's the radiator? Holy moly, the car is all empty. Like empty and empty. One but one. Now it's looking cool from the front. I'm gonna take this though and put it right here. Done. Take the seat. Put it right here. Done. I'm gonna put one thing at the back. It is important. Done. We're not putting the radio because of it is so noise and you guys cannot listen it. Let me grab the seat, the back seat. Boys, leave them. I think so I can leave them because we will fill our all trunk with any stuff, any important stuff. We're putting this door on that side. Done. And last thing is last one. I have an idea. Let's weld it here. Just well. I think so we can weld and go. And guys, we're gonna put the cycle also. I think so. This back tongue is disturbing so much. We don't need this one. How it is noising like that? That leaf. So I think so our car is done. The fuel is not filled yet. So we are gonna fill it. The Google is spamming. Someone say hi guys. So heavy. I know we have the sandbox, but we don't need it. Let's close the cap. Tap to close. Done. Tab. Done. I think so we will fill more fuel. Yes. I broke the front. We'll see it out the car. We don't need it, but give me the sofa. It's so heavy. It is so big, so it's heavy. So let's take out it and put a plank on the back. I'm gonna put the bag here. But how we can put it? I cannot put it, so am I new put a new palette. red palette. The palette is right by top. I'm stuck. Let's put it here and take this and why it is stuck. Oh, now it's out. Okay. Brother, why? This cannot put here. I need to validate here. Wait. I'm gonna put it right like this. Done. And I'm gonna approach and but I have an idea. Guys, let's go. And first put it here. I'm gonna take the van back. I think so it's cool to take the van. Why? Because I'm gonna put the palette on, not the palette. We are gonna weld the palette. And we're gonna keep this car at the back of the van. Yes, like this. Let's try it. Let's get it out. Oh, wait. It's cool. I'm gonna close it up and spawn a van here. Because van we do. I think so. We need white or blue, my favorite color. Fill the full fuel and spawn it right here. Okay. I think so. It is can pull the car at the back. We're gonna detach all part, uppermost part too. With these things that are easy to detach. Detach fast. Done. Oh, I detached the upper part. Not the upper part. Detach the side part. Done. Dear test fast. Oh no. By mistake I dear test and then let's take this thing out. We don't need it. Take this word and put it right here. None. Take this word. Shit. By mistake, I just put it. I just place it. So we are gonna dear test this doors first, and dear test the upper part. The upper part. Huh. Let's pull the bar first. Fast. Done. Done. Bro, why I'm stuck in. I think so. It takes so much. It is so heavy. So I must spawn the pallet. So much pellets. Infinite pellets. Wow. One pallet just put here. Okay. So we are gonna wellhead, right? Why stuck? Why? No, it is not done. First put the back of the well. Put the pallet on the back of the well. There's so much pellets this one. Put this bird. Why it is stuck? I'll put a camera dirty. No, bro, how? How I ungrab it? How? Let's put it. Yes, this place. We need this place. Just going to progress. Done. Done. Let's put the car in the van. It is finally done, guys. Wait, can we fill fuel in the car? I need to fill fuel. I need more fuel. I need fuel. I'm gonna check the spout out. What is spout out? Okay, it refills the fuel. I don't need that. Well, guys, you're thinking about why is this outside of sound is coming? Why your family is talking? Why it is coming? Bye, guys.